Style the chat header. Let's style the message list. Message list. Here we are. There's not much in here. We're just looping over and doing the messages, each individual message. But if you look at static HTML from the static file, or from the static project, message list had a little more than that in it. It also had this, where's message list? We had a bunch of messages in there. Here we go. Message list. I had this room announcement before I started going over each message. So I'll just copy that, put it in here. Now, one of these days, this will be dynamic, of course. It'll be the actual room you're in. For right now, it's hard-coded. That's fine. Class becomes class name. So here's what I copied out of static. But remember, you will have to change class to class name. And then let's see what I had in my CSS. Message list.css. Okay, the list itself, the room announcement, and the H3. So no problem. Don't need Aphrodite. Keep it simple. Const styles equals message list itself. The room announcement. And the H3 inside the room announcement. It's kind of tempting to make room announcement a separate component. You totally could. Real project, I probably would, but we don't need to take the time. Change my semicolons, commas. Quote this business. Camel case. That includes changing this Y to capital. Font size, here we go. I forgot a comma. And then I just need to apply all these styles. So message list, room announcement, and H3. Here's message list. So add style prop, style equals, styles, dot, message list. Room announcement. You know what? I don't need that class name on there. Let's say style equals styles dot room announcement. And the H3. Style equals styles dot H3. And there we go. It's nicely indented. Here comes the message list component at you in Slack. Again, no new tricks here, really. More of the same. Just getting used to doing this stuff. Separating it out into more components and styling each piece. Real world, you might sometimes get a separate team doing the markup in CSS than actually does the front-end development, and they give you static files and you turn them into that. You might get something like that from a client if you're a freelancer. So stuff like this does happen, where someone else has already done the CSS, but it's not React yet, and you need to turn it into that. Not out of the question.